you think about that, like Thomas Edison or whatever, that thing about like, I discovered 1,000 ways how not to do something, right? It's easy to pick a wrong choice, right? Jump off a cliff or something like that. You nailed it when you said to get the outcome that you want, because obviously, yes, that's an option, but who's going to do that? Because that would be stupid. Nobody wants that, right? The hard part is getting the thing you do want, because sometimes that thing is a very complex whole trajectory and timeline of events have to happen in order for that reality to become realized. So then that's where the nuance comes in. That's where having an understanding of natural law is so empowering, because it allows you to not only predict the future in a way, but determine the future. But it's like you say, Brian, because everything we do is a magical act, you still don't 100% know how a thing is going to turn out, because there's always a curveball, you know, like you never know when that's going to happen. It's not that your idea or that the law you were banking on didn't work or was not consistent. It's that another variable entered the equation that changed the outcome, because it's all about if this, then this. That variable was, but this.
Yeah, that's why the awareness of those variables is the essential part, you know, because the more
awareness
variables you're aware of, the better
choices
you can make. There
good
you go.
Potential choices. That's
love it.
That's good
and
stuff.
and chance is just but law not recognized, right? And, and when you dive deep into the principles, I mean, it's like my passion, because it's ultimately pattern recognition. So and you know, each principle it's a lifetime. It's just an onion. You just keep peeling it back. You keep lifting the veils, and you can observe more within yourself and in your environment, and all the correspondences, even the correspondences with the principles themselves. It's amazing.
Oh yeah, it's just it's like the most beautiful thing to observe. Like life really is just like this beautiful tapestry. It's so weird, you know, for a reason. It's another reason I love the concept of the web of weird. And, you know, with cosmic law and natural law, we can see that there's so many different traditions and understandings that are teaching it. You know, there's like the Hermetic principles, but then there's also the same understandings coming in through like the Norse mythology with the web of weird, of how we're creating our reality, how we're responsible for that. You know, there's the Vedic tradition and understanding of things, you know. I mean, it goes on and on. So again, because it's universal law, there are lessons to be found in like every indigenous culture, like everywhere you look, there's a lesson. So when you become a student of cosmic law, of natural law, you're becoming a student of like yourself and life and everything there. So everything becomes a chance to observe and to learn and to then be able to choose to improve.